All right, guys. So this is not your actual homework. This is just a little tutorial about what to do for your homework. One of the suggestions people made on the document we did in class was that would have helped them last year was if teachers were very, very clear and showed them exactly what their homework was and what they wanted them to do. So since this is our first actual like homework assignment this year, I just wanted to really quickly show you what it looked like and what to expect. So my little spotlight tour, this is not your actual class, so it looks a little different, but you will see this tab. You will see Unit 1, Tools for Geometry. You could actually click on that and it will, it'll go right in there. So sorry about that. Let me go back. All right, so I'll leave it here. It will say 921. Actually, that'll say 922, which is Tuesday. So it'll say 922 homework, 1-2, points, distance, and segments. The due date is Friday at 7 a.m. And as of that time, this will be the only thing that's in this folder. All right, you should have it done well before 7 a.m. on Friday. You have all that time and all that time to come ask for help if you need it. At 7 a.m. Friday morning when this is due, your classwork assignment will go up. So it will say 925 classwork, 1-2, points, distance, and segments. So like I said, with this flipped classroom thing, your homework will be to watch the video, and then your classwork will be practicing with the skills you learned from this video. So that's what will go up Friday morning, the 25th, right at 7 a.m. And the remote students, you can start that at any time. The in-class students, you will have class time to work on it. Okay, so hopefully that process still makes sense. If it doesn't, ask a friend, ask a learning group member, or ask me. So if I click into this assignment, this is actually going to be a little different than usual because I'm putting this tutorial in here. This is not your homework, but I want you to watch this first. Your screen might look a little different, but this is just your outline of what the homework will look like. There's going to be directions here. Read those carefully in case I need to make any changes. Sometimes the videos I'm using are from past years, so there might be little tweaks to it, so I don't have to remake the whole thing. But once you read these directions carefully, you're going to click into our Google form. And I actually have it up already right here. Okay. So your Google form will look like this. All right, sometimes it will be a Google form. Sometimes it will be a Delta Math assignment that we'll talk about as well. But a lot of times it's going to be a Google form. I'll have the title of the assignment. I'll have the directions kind of, again, describing exactly what I want you to do. So I'll be very clear with it. And then you're going to watch this video. So it's hit play. It goes right to my YouTube. And like we talked about with that origami frog video, rewind, rewatch, pause things. All right, take that, use that to your advantage. Those strategies we talked about when we did our origami activity. All right, if you understand something and you got the hang of it, you can fast forward a little bit. I have no problem with that. But watch the video first. And then after you watch it, these questions are actually taken from a question right out of your note packet. So these 6 numbers right here, these 6 questions are right at the bottom of page 6, I believe, in your note packet. You're going to attempt them. You are not going to get graded right or wrong on this. Don't text your friend and say, what'd you get from Mr. Klemper's homework, and just plug the answers in because you're not learning anything. I want you to see which ones you got wrong. More importantly, I want to see which ones you got wrong. Okay? If you do your homework, if you submit it, you'll get full credit. So when it shows your score as like 2 out of 6 or 1 out of 6 or 6 out of 6, that will not affect your actual score on this homework. The homework is to help us learn. So what I'll do is if I see everybody got number 4 wrong, then we're going to talk about number 4 in class. So I hope everybody's clear on that. I don't care if you get every single question right. I don't care if you get every single question wrong. As long as you watch the video, the right way, take your time with it. All right. What I don't want to see people doing is just putting in random guesses and then just hitting submit, because I will see that. I'll notice that. And we'll have a little talk about you doing your homework the right way. Okay. But this is to inform me, and it's to inform you what we need to work on in class. All right. So I hope that makes sense. If everybody gets number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right, we're not going to talk about those. So it benefits you to do these things the right way. If everybody gets number 6 wrong and I see there's problems there, then we'll spend a little more time to go over it. All right. So once you get it done, you're going to submit the homework. Let me say it again. You're going to submit the Google form, and that will zip right to me so I can see how we're doing. Once you have the Google form submitted, you do have to go back here and click turn in on your assignment. So the Google form does not automatically turn it in. So please, please do that for me, because I know it's kind of annoying on your end. It's also annoying on my end when I don't have the information that you actually submitted the homework. So I hope that makes sense. Now you can go on and actually do the homework, watch the video carefully, and if I see in class, you can ask me questions. Otherwise, you can ask them on the Zoom. All right, guys, good luck. See you soon. Bye.